Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And I recommend to download and install the Connect IQ store application on the phone that is paired with your watch. It's gonna make the installation of applications and watch faces a lot easier. To do it, open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna open Google Play Store, but if you're using iPhone, you can open App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search and type in Connect IQ Store. And tap on Search. And you should see this application, Connect IQ Store by Garmin. Once you see it, tap on Install button to install it and wait until the Connect IQ Store is installed. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, tap on Welcome, Continue, check the box, and tap on Next. Allow the required permission. And now you should see the IQ Store. And we have different categories of apps and watch faces, as you can see. I'm just gonna tap on Search right here and then select watch faces to narrow my search only to watch faces. And now I can scroll through the list, find the watch face I like to use on our watch. And once I find it, I can tap on it. Here I have this big install button, but before that we can also read the description, see the screenshots, see the reviews. Another thing you can check is if this watch face is compatible with your watch. To do it, tap on compatible devices right here and scroll through the list, find the Venu watch, Venu 2 Plus, and it is on the list, so it means that the watch face is compatible. And to install the watch face, tap on the install button, allow the permission and wait. If it's stuck in the queue for the longer time, you can go back to the main page of IQ Store, tap on My Devices and check the queue. And as you can see right now, it's updating the Spotify before installing our watch face. So it's gonna take a couple more minutes maybe, or something like that. So let's wait until it's done. But once the watch face is done installing, you will see the pop-up on the screen that it was installed, and you can always check it here if it's in the queue or it's not. Also, if it's in the My Watch Faces, if you tap on here, you will see the watch faces installed on your watch. So let's wait until it's done installing. As you can see, the watch face is installed. We got the pop-up on the screen. You can tap on Got It, and also you can tap on My Watch Faces to check if it's installed. And if it's installed, it should be applied on your watch. Okay, and you can have multiple watch faces installed, and you can switch between them if you want to. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.